My mind is telling me no, but my body telling me yeah. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So I know you're like, girl, what is wrong with you? Like, where you been? Like, what's really good? Like, what's tea, honey? What's tea? So I'm back with another video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. But anyway, we're gonna get straight into this video. So I'm gonna just say, like, this is like a raw uncut video. You know, I didn't really have like a certain topic I want to talk about today. I basically just want to come to you guys, you know, like sister to sister, friend to friend, girl to girl, real girl to girl. You know, I'm just coming to girls for you. So yeah, just gonna give you guys an update and talk about some few things. Like, why not? But first and foremost, make sure you subscribe, girl. And thank you so much for 40K. I was like, girl, I haven't made a YouTube video since 2019, and I got 40K. Like, thank you so much for that. Like, I know my subscribers would be way higher if I was posting, but thank you so much. But Amazon is back on YouTube. What's popping? Okay, check out this hoodie. I just made this custom hoodie. She look extra orange with the camera lights because you know how the girls do. But yeah, I'm so in love with this. If you want one, go get one from the link below on my website. You feel me? And to like strictly just focus on my business. I got this mindset right when 2019 was to end. Like, girl, forget anything else. Work on your business, because that's the most important thing to do. Take a break from the internet because it can get like real hectic. And trust me, y'all, do not live your life on social media. I'm telling you. I know you guys been seeing like these little posts everywhere I make it like, because like I just really be going through it, and many people just don't understand your situations. They live off of social media, and it's not like that. Like, I honestly love YouTube. I love doing all of this, but it's more to life than just social media. You can be a millionaire without being famous. Like, people need to open their mind. That's the thing with the generation. People is just living in just one mindset. Like, I want to do so much more with my life, and honestly, social media can be really annoying sometimes. Really annoying, you know, but that's life. People gonna hate, people gonna have opinions. Who the hell cares? But don't spend all your time on social media. Take a break, okay? Take a break and get to the money. Stop telling people your next steps. Stop telling people that. There's a lot of people who be like, oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Are y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for that? And like, no, we not ready. Like, what are you talking about? Like, what you just chatting right now? Like, telling people stop telling the world what you're gonna do and show them what you're going to do. Off the top of my head, but get your act together. Get to the bag, okay? Y'all need to stop looking at these other businesses and be like, oh my god, like, whew, I wish my business like hers. How she's doing this. Everybody works at their own pace. Who cares if you don't got your own apartment yet? Who cares if you don't got your own business license? Who cares if you only got 2,000 followers? Like, you work at your own pace. These people are living their own separate lives. Invest your time and your energy into something. We all can live forever, but we can create something that will continue to live forever, okay? Like, what's tea on that? But don't mind my mannequin over there. Let me fix this. Because, you know, YouTube new policy. They got, your videos got to be for children and all that. Let me fix this. Okay. Stay focused, all right? Stay focused. That's what I've been doing. I've been working a lot of stuff behind the scenes. And you don't always have to tell social media everything. Like, why you telling people your every move? They your parole officer? Like, live your life, girl. Like, I really just want to make this video. I was going to make some vlogs, but every time I vlog, it just didn't feel right because I'm like, girl, I haven't been on YouTube for 4 weeks. I can't just come back on YouTube like nothing happened. So I want to make this video first before I put out my other content. Give you guys some good business tips, okay? I want to talk about how to not get played as an entrepreneur. especially a Black-owned entrepreneur, or how to stop getting played. So first and foremost, I'm going to talk about promotion with your products. People are just sending any and every type of body they products, which I understand. You want, you want regular people to wear your stuff, regular people, you want, regular people to just wear your stuff, give everybody a chance, but not everybody needs a chance. What are you giving people chances for? Like, what? Like, you don't have to send them nothing. Like, if you're sending something to somebody for free, that's something free. This is something that don't happens a lot. Of course, there's going to be so many people who are going to be like, yeah, I want to model, but they're not genuine about it, And some people might even ask for money. Like, girl, who is you? I ain't got no $40. Like, so yeah, know who you're sending your product to if you want them to promote it. I will highly advise, look into Instagram models, influencers. Also, big celebrities, big name people doesn't always mean guaranteed sales. But the celebrity can make your product. The influencer can make or break your product. But it's all about what you're trying to sell, okay? It's about the product you're selling. And it got to be something unique, because you have to know that this is a really huge world where everybody stuff is similar. So what makes your product so unique? When a person see a product, are they gonna be like, oh, where she got that from? That's fire. I never saw that before. That is so original. Something that a customer, that will intrigue a customer. So it's all about your product too, and it's about presentation too. Like, don't just be sending your products to any and everybody, because people don't care. They just want the free clothes, free hair, whatever you're doing. Make sure this person will at least gain you some exposure. They don't got to be the biggest influencer. I know some influencers do charge, but make sure they pictures are professional. They are just raw. They are just, worth it. Like, you're sending your product, you don't have to do that. Like, you don't have to do that. So be mindful of who you're sending your stuff to. Also, these Instagram models, you don't need to pay them. You don't need to pay these Instagram models. Like, let me tell you the story. I DM'd this Instagram model. She had like 200,000 followers. Okay, each 2,000 followers, I hit her up or whatever, but she's charging me $400 for what? So this is where people have got it wrong too. Followers don't equal money. I hate when people are like, oh my God, I got so much followers, I'm getting all this money, I'm getting all this clout, all this attention. But you do know that there are such things as ghost followers, fake followers, crusty followers. Like, look at their I don't know how to say that. Look at their profile. Like, see the type of people that's commenting. Are they getting enough likes? Like, do their likes at least look decent to their followers? They can have 2 million followers and get like, what, 1,000 likes? That don't equal up. Something is off. Their page is not popping. Their page is, it's not active. It's not an active page. So you look at the comments, see what people are commenting, just see what's going on. You should always do that for a person. Don't go and pay your money, because it won't even be worth it. This is business. This is not playing dress up, okay? It's business. You want to go on the business side and see what you can gain from this, the exposure, the traffic, all that type of stuff. If you look at it just dress up, like, oh, I just want to dress this Instagram model in my product, and they take the picture and I pay them overpriced, and I just pay them a whole bunch of money. If that's what you want to do, no, we're doing the business way. So yeah, these Instagram models, you don't need to be paying them. Like, trust me, it's plenty of Instagram models that you can contact, and they'll be like, oh yeah, like, if your product is good, like, your product is good, your product is popping, you shouldn't have to pay nobody, you're giving them the product. Like, that's it. Now, this person has like a good following, their page is active, like they're a popping person. That's where you can talk about prices, okay? But no, these Instagram models will scam you, honey. Don't do that, okay? And never, when you're contacting influencer, never be like, oh, hi, da-da-da, with my product, and they be like, how much do you charge? Don't ever ask for that. Unless you're literally, like, asking a celebrity or something, ask their charge. Of course, they're going to charge you. But, like, anybody else, don't ask their charge. One, they're going to try to take over you, like, ooh, I can get paid too. Let me see how much I want to charge her. Don't be friendly to everybody. Don't be friendly to everybody. Like, I'm saying this, like, be smart and mindful of the people in this world. There are people here who want to copy off you. There's people out here who want to just wait. There's people out here who's just waiting for you to fail. Like, it's just dangerous, disgusting, crusty people out here. Not everybody is rooting for you, okay? Like, people's out here is unoriginal, and as you can see, I know some of y'all is going through this, and even if you haven't like reached like even if you haven't reached that much in your business, there will be people like, oh my god, congratulations to your business, yeah, I really love it, you know, I always knew you had it, and they just come out of nowhere, and it's like, bitch, what are you doing? Like, what? Like, who are you? Like, it'd be like so much of these fake people just come out of nowhere because they see you're trying to build a brand for yourself, and they see that you're doing good. Like, they're gonna be like, oh, I want to get into this. Like, those type of people, no, don't do that. And be mindful with new people, not into drama, any of that. But like, it's real. Like, people out here, don't be friends with everybody. You are not titled to give your vendors to anyone, okay? You don't see these girls emailing Fashion Nova, where did you get your sweatsuits from? I want to make this. Fashion Nova, da 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 da. Like, that's one pet peeve I have. That's one thing I don't like about like being an entrepreneur, is people expect a lot from you that's none of their damn business. Like, you're not entitled to give anybody your vendor. You're not entitled to do shit. This world is not entitled for, this world is not made for everybody to kiss each other ass. Like, people live different lives. This is like, no, like, people think the world I give it to them, and you don't have to give them your vendor if you don't want to, okay? Be a boss. Like, people gonna respect you when you start acting like a boss. When you start acting like a worker, people are like, she ain't a real boss, whatever. I can ask her anything, you know, I can talk to her any way I want to. It's just like, come on now, y'all. Let me tell you this little crazy story. When I first started making adult sweatsuits, they commented under their business Instagram page. They commented under my business Instagram page. You're like, oh, you sell your sweatsuit for $50. I sell mine's is $20, $30. Everybody check out my page. And it's like, you dang flabby, crusty ass rabbit. Who you talking to like that? Like, who is you? Like, what is wrong with y'all black businesses? Y'all are so disgusting. Like, do y'all really sit on this damn app and be like, oh, mine's is better? Ooh, like, mind the business that pays you. And it is not paying you. So I guess that's why you're not minding it. Shit, I don't know. Crazy people like that trying to get under your skin. I honestly be like, wow, this bitch is miserable. Bye. Sometimes I don't even look at stuff like that. Like, I just don't care. Like, I'm doing something right. So I'm doing something right. I'm doing something real good. That's why your ass is pressed like that. You are pressed in your heart. You like, you is mad, sweetie. You is mad. Like, people gonna talk about your business. Who cares? Not everybody will like your hair. Not everybody will like your clothes. Who the hell cares? It's not their damn clothes. They don't help you unload inventory. They don't help you pay taxes. They don't help you make your product. They don't help you do shipping. People think, oh, you're an entrepreneur, you know, you're getting so much money, you know, you're getting a lot of orders. Like, it must be so fun, like, just so good. It is good, sweetie, but it's a whole lot of hard work into it. And I'm truly blessed for that. Like, this is not something like I'm just so ungrateful for. Like, I'm really grateful for this. Like, I'm busy. I stay busy all the time with my business. It's like, it's not really one moment where I can be like, oh, I'm not doing nothing, I'm free. I can always be doing something, okay? It's a lot of hard work, and it's a lot of dedication, and also people don't give you props, because we're humans. We go through, you know, problems, personal problems. You know, sometimes our mental is kind of cool sometimes. So we go through personal problems. Then we're an entrepreneur. On top of that, dealing with customers, you know, crazy customers, you know, impatient customers, customers that don't read, just basically everybody, and orders, like numbers, like it's a whole lot that goes into it. It's a whole lot of brain. Like you gotta be passionate. It's a whole lot of like your brain gotta be on. It gotta be on for this. So people need to give us props, guys, as entrepreneurs. And honestly, last thing is save your money. Save your money, okay? Just because your business is doing good this month, it can, God forbid, do bad next month. You know, you can have a slow day, you can have a fast day. Say save your money and also invest. Like, I hate people who business, they not putting, it's so much you can do when you're first starting your business that you don't even know, but you gotta do it as you grow, because you just work on so much stuff. Like my business is so much stuff I could work on. It's so much stuff, like, and I know this and I know how to conquer it. So it's always something you can work on. You gotta invest. Like, you gotta invest. Like, if you want to be the next Macy's, the next what's the biggest hair store, Kendra's Hair Boutique, the biggest, like, you gotta invest. You gotta, like, you gotta market, you gotta brand. Like, you just gotta make your business look more professional, more like raw, like original, just like perfect. So you can always work on something. You can always invest your money. If you're hesitant about spending $10 in your business, but you'll spend $20 at a store that's selling some other product, then this is not for you. Every time I get some money, I want to invest it in my business. I don't want to go out shopping. I don't really want to do that. You know, I do probably some makeup or something, but not like too big, like that I can't conquer myself. You know, I'm learning about designing clothes better, you know, the different ways like that. And I just want to keep on learning and doing by myself. Like, save your money, honestly. You don't know how long, like, being an entrepreneur, you have to have a lot of side hustles. You can still have a 9-to-5. You can still have a 9-to-5. The more money, the better. But if your business is like really good to where you have no time for a 9-to-5 at all, then that's when you can quit your job. But yeah, being an entrepreneur, you gotta have a backup. It's just a whole lot that goes into this, guys. But that's what I pretty much want to talk about. I can go on and on and on, but I'd rather you guys comment down below some topics you want me to talk about, because I will be making more advice videos. Next video will probably be a vlog. Probably gonna make a vlog. But yeah, I'm working on so much stuff behind the scenes, y'all, and I can't wait for you guys to see. And just keep striving, keep doing this. Know that I'm not off YouTube. And to everybody saying you're my favorite YouTuber, and I'm like, girl, even though I haven't posted in like a month, I love you. Like, that's real love. So I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for everything, and I'll catch you in the next video.